Right, so what's your first name?
Vivien.
Vivien, and tell us, Vivien, what needs fixing?
My neck needs fixing.
Right.
And on the boat, smacked me on the top of the head and sent my neck backwards.
Right, okay, so it's your neck?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
More than my neck, look.
Probably off camera now. Okay. So you'll see, I'm still in my body, but I sort of go into sometimes an altered state. It's just when it's like, oh, I didn't work through me before. Does he not know how to walk? So different surgeons come through me based on the need of the person here. We're all made of energy. You all have as much access to God, angels, guides as I do. We all have this ability to ask for help in all areas of our life, but we've forgotten. We've been told for so long to be good, and now we're so distracted with technology, most of us have lost God altogether, forgetting that, you know, this incredible world that's been created for us, the trees, the birds, the animals. Yet and the kids are glued to technology. They're not out there, you know, smelling the roses or putting the buttercup onto the chin to see if they like butter. Yeah? Didn't we have a great childhood? Are our kids having a great childhood? I don't think they are now. They're all glued to bloody technology. It's addictive. And that's exactly what the powers that be want. They want your kids addicted. Right, just see how that feels.
Yep, I've still got movement.
Cool. Any pain in there?
No pain actually, no. No pain.
Awesome.
Also when I go to a neurosurgeon and go, don't touch me.